Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we have come up with the news of our favorite television series Heartland. Many of you may have been wondering when season 15 of Heartland will premiere on Netflix. So today we are here with the answer to your question. According to the various reports, we came to know that Heartland season 15 will air on Netflix this February. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. We can't believe our eyes that we recently finished another wonderful season of Heartland. In the past few weeks, the show had brought a lot of emotion, some difficult storylines, and some satisfying closure to past events in the series. We aren't going to spoil it for those who haven't seen the season yet, but what we think is the very end of the episode was so heart-touching and a perfect way to close out the season. And as for whether or not there will be a next chapter, we will have to wait and see. However, we are almost sure that we are going to have the next chapter on our TV screens by the end of this year. Many of our viewers were asking one same question in our comment section, which said, how can I watch the new season of Heartland? So today we have some good news to share with you all because season 15 of Heartland will eventually be riding its way onto Netflix on February 1, 2022. The Feel Good series is a fan favorite among Netflixers and with plenty of episodes to dive into. It's the most binge-worthy series that is available on Netflix. Now let's have a brief look at all the official synopsis of every episode of Heartland season 15. The first episode is titled Moving Toward the Light, and the official synopsis reads, Amy must help a skeptical performer and a pair of matched Liberty horses work together again. Instead of thinking about possibly retiring, Jack unexpectedly buys Mitch's herd of cattle. Lindy asks Amy's client for help with a special surprise for Amy's birthday. Tim returns from his trip with a surprise for everyone. The second episode is titled Runaway and the official synopsis reads, a wild stallion escapes from Sam's ranch during a burglary and Amy will stop at nothing to find him. Lisa's latest business investment is at risk. Tim and Jessica adjust to life back at Heartland. The third episode is titled Padmont Rising and the official synopsis reads, Amy discovers a teen with a gift for horses at Cooper's Therapy Center. Lou is pressured to shut the center down over recent break-ins. Lisa had Jack install a security system with Parker's help. The fourth episode is titled Sins of a Father and the official synopsis reads, after a break-in at Heartland, unwelcome memories of his father flood Jack. Amy and Logan work with the Wild Horse team task Amy to tame for Jessica. Tim and Parker form an unlikely duo to find the stolen goods. The fifth episode is titled Blood and Water and the official synopsis reads, Amy and Shadow find themselves in jeopardy on a cattle drive. Lou feels overlooked when the issue of Heartland Beef's succession plan is raised. Parker and Katie babysit Lindy and things go awry. The sixth episode is titled Happy Ever After and the official synopsis reads, Tim and Jessica's attempt to throw a small party snowballs. Lou struggles to hide a revived past relationship from the family. Amy and Logan continue to work with the Wild Horse. The seventh episode is titled Bluebird and the official synopsis reads, the man who saw Ty returns to Hudson and Amy and the rest of the family grapple with how to react. Jessica enlists Katie and Parker's help to deal with a demanding Dude Ranch guest while Lou is away. The eighth episode is titled Brand New Day and the official synopsis reads, Hudson hosts a lumberjack competition and Amy must retrain a Clydesdale and is honored to compete in the draft horse race. Tim throws his hat in the ring. Lou tries to avoid a date with Fred Garland. The ninth episode is titled The Long Game and the official synopsis reads, Amy enters Spartan into an endurance race after realizing he is not ready to retire. Jack is set on gentling and on bro course despite the danger, and Lou and Katie reveal hidden feelings while camping. And the final episode of the series is titled Leaving a Legacy, and the official synopsis reads: Amy debates what to do when she receives money from an unexpected source. Lisa's racing plans are in jeopardy after an accident. Tim worries when Jessica is hiding something. Lou makes a big decision. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.